Imagine waking up feeling lighter, more energized, and free from those nagging aches and pains. Sound like a dream, doesn't it? But what if I told you that a simple, natural remedy, something you might already have in your home, could help you feel better than you have in years? For generations, nature has provided powerful healing secrets, but many of them have been forgotten. Today, we're bringing one of those secrets back to life, a remedy so effective that even doctors are left speechless. Castor oil and baking soda, two simple ingredients that, when combined, create something truly remarkable. Could this be the missing piece to your health and wellness? Stay with me until the end of this video, because we're diving deep into why this remedy works, how to use it safely, and real stories from people just like you who have seen incredible results. Grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's explore this life-changing discovery together. You won't want to miss a single second. The power of castor oil and baking soda. Before we dive into how this remedy works, let's first understand why castor oil and baking soda are such a powerful combination. For centuries, people have turned to natural remedies to support their health and well-being. Modern medicine may be advanced, but sometimes the most effective solutions come from the simplest ingredients. And that's exactly the case with these two powerful natural healers, castor oil and baking soda. Let's start with castor oil. This golden, thick oil has been used for generations in traditional medicine across the world. It is packed with ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that gives castor oil its incredible anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. When applied to the skin, it penetrates deep into tissues, boosting circulation, relieving pain, reducing swelling, and even aiding in detoxification. Many people use it to support joint health, digestion, and even hair growth. But that's not all. Castor oil is also known to stimulate the lymphatic system, which plays a crucial role in removing toxins from the body. A sluggish lymphatic system can lead to bloating, fatigue, and a weakened immune system. But using castor oil may help restore balance and improve overall wellness. Now, let's talk about baking soda. This simple kitchen ingredient does far more than just help with baking. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a natural alkaline compound that neutralizes acidity, fights infections, and supports detoxification. It has been widely used to help with conditions such as acid reflux, skin irritations, and even as a natural toothpaste. Baking soda's ability to balance pH levels in the body makes it an excellent tool for overall health. When your body's pH is too acidic, it can lead to inflammation, digestive issues, and even chronic diseases. By incorporating baking soda into your wellness routine, you can help restore the body's natural balance and promote healing from within. But here's where it gets really interesting. When you mix castor oil with baking soda, something amazing happens. These two ingredients work synergistically, meaning they enhance each other's benefits. The oil helps carry the healing properties of baking soda deep into the tissues, while baking soda boosts detoxification, neutralizes harmful bacteria, and supports overall healing. This dynamic duo has been used for pain relief, helps with joint pain, inflammation, and sore muscles. Skin detox, fights blemishes, soothes irritation, and promotes a healthy glow. Lymphatic support, encourages detoxification and improves circulation. Wound healing, supports recovery from cuts, bruises, and skin infections. Sounds incredible, right? But how exactly should you use this mixture? And what kind of results can you expect? Stay with us, because in the next segment, we'll reveal the best ways to use castor oil and baking soda, along with real-life success stories from people who have seen astonishing benefits. What happens when you mix them? What if I told you that two simple ingredients, castor oil and baking soda, could create one of the most powerful natural healing remedies you've ever tried? When you combine these two, you get a potent multi-purpose paste that can help with a wide range of health issues. Whether you're looking for pain relief, skin detox, or better circulation, this natural remedy might just be the answer you've been searching for. Skin detox and rejuvenation. One of the most incredible benefits of this mixture is its ability to deeply cleanse and detoxify the skin. Helps remove toxins and impurities that clog pores. Reduces blemishes, acne, and dark spots. Soothes irritation, redness, and skin rashes. Hydrates dry, flaky skin, leaving it soft and smooth. How to use it? Simply apply the paste to problem areas and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. You'll be amazed at how refreshed and rejuvenated your skin feels. Pain relief and inflammation reduction. This powerful paste is a natural pain reliever that can help with joint pain and arthritis. Helps reduce swelling and stiffness. Sore muscles, eases tension, and promotes faster recovery. Back and neck pain, relieves discomfort from inflammation. Headaches and migraines, applying a small amount to the temples may provide relief. Pro tip: for deep pain relief, apply the mixture to the affected area, cover it with a warm cloth, and relax for 30 minutes. The warmth helps the ingredients penetrate deeper into the tissues, enhancing their healing effects. Lymphatic system support and detox. Your lymphatic system is responsible for flushing toxins out of your body, but sometimes it needs a little help. This paste works as a natural lymphatic cleanser, helping your body improve circulation and drainage, reduce swelling and water retention, boost immune function by eliminating toxins, support overall body detoxification. How to use it? Apply the paste to areas with lymph nodes like the neck, underarms, or groin, twice a week to stimulate detoxification, wound healing, and infection prevention. Did you know this simple mixture can also help heal minor wounds and infections? Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it a great natural remedy for minor cuts and scrapes, helps prevent infection, and speeds up healing. Insect bites, soothes itching and reduces swelling. Fungal infections may help with athlete's foot and nail fungus. Digestive health and bloating relief. This remedy can even support digestive health when applied externally to the stomach. Many people find it helpful for reducing bloating and gas, easing constipation, supporting liver detoxification. Pro tip: apply the paste over the abdomen and cover with a warm towel for 30 to 40 minutes to help improve digestion and detox the liver. Real-life results and how to use it. People around the world have been amazed by the incredible results of this simple yet powerful remedy. Some have reported clearer, healthier skin after struggling with breakouts and stubborn blemishes for years. Others say it has relieved their chronic joint pain, allowing them to move more freely and enjoy life again. And many have found that it helps detox the body, reduce inflammation, and promote better circulation, all with just 2 natural ingredients. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a look at some real-life experiences. Real-life success stories. Mary, 67 years old. I've struggled with arthritis in my knees for over a decade. After just 2 weeks of using this castor oil and baking soda paste, the pain has significantly decreased. I can finally walk without discomfort. Robert, 72 years old. My skin has always been sensitive, and I had persistent dark spots that wouldn't go away. I started applying this mixture twice a week, and now my skin looks brighter and healthier than ever. Linda, 65 years old. I used this paste on my swollen ankles, and within a few applications, I noticed a real difference. My legs feel lighter, and the puffiness is almost gone. These are just a few examples of how this natural remedy is changing lives. But the best way to know if it works is to try it yourself. How to use it? Using this remedy is simple and takes just a few minutes. Here's how you can do it at home. 1. Mix the ingredients. Take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and add just enough castor oil to form a thick, smooth paste. Stir well until fully combined. 2. Apply to the affected area. Whether you're targeting joints, skin issues, or lymphatic areas, spread a generous layer over the area. 3. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. This gives the ingredients time to penetrate deep into the skin and tissues, working their magic. 4. Rinse off with warm water. Gently wipe away the paste and pat the skin dry. You may notice immediate relief or improvement after just a few applications. 5. Repeat a few times a week. For best results, use this remedy 2 to 3 times per week. Some people notice changes within days, while others see full results after a few weeks. Pro tips for maximum benefits. 4. Deeper detox. Apply the paste before bed. Cover the area with a warm cloth or wrap, and leave it on for 1 to 2 hours for enhanced absorption. For joint pain relief, massage a small amount onto aching joints, then wrap with a bandage for extra warmth and penetration. For glowing skin, use it as a face mask once a week to remove impurities, brighten skin tone, and reduce fine lines. So, could castor oil with baking soda be the natural miracle we've all been waiting for? With so many success stories and centuries of traditional use, this remedy is definitely worth trying. Whether you're looking for pain relief, skin detox, better circulation, or overall wellness, this simple combination could be a game changer for you. And the best part? It's all natural, affordable, and easy to use. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you ever tried castor oil and baking soda before? What was your experience? Or are you excited to give it a try for the first time? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Your story might inspire someone else to try this powerful remedy.